Here is how to view saved passwords in Chrome. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is ensure you've signed in with the account whose passwords you want to see. You'll find that on the top right. So now we'll see the passwords of this account. And you can change the account from here. Once this is done, just click on the three dots which are on the top right and select this option, which is passwords and autofill. Then click on the first option, which is Google Password Manager. And here you get a list of all of the passwords which are saved to this account. And you have all of the controls and settings over here. So you can add new ones, delete these, or view the password if you want. So let's say I want to make a change to this site, which is Adidas. I'll click on it. And over here, you can see your username. Then to view the password, just click on the eye icon, which is here. And if you want to make changes like delete it or share it, you can do all of that from here. And the same way, you can do this for any other site. So this is how it works. And if you want to know some Google privacy and security settings, check out this video. Goodbye.